Hi, this is Valentina, and today I show you how I made this scarf from a pom-pom yarn. This is only one skein that I used, and this is not very long. It's half scarf, so you will need for this project 2 skeins for the scarf to make it. Beginning, I will to cast on. I leave a little bit some yarn, and then this is my first, it's gonna be first stitch. So this is I pull the yarn like this, and this is my first stitch. So I will cast on 16 stitches. So this is gonna be 1, and I do 2 needles. So it's not it's nicely done. It's not doesn't create any loop additional space. So I just have 2 right here, 2. I'm gonna make the third one. As you can see, 3. I just pull. If I have pom-pom in my way, I just pull it through. Here we go. I just pull it. So I got 4. I'm gonna do 5. Okay, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 16. Okay, this is beautiful. I already love it so much. So now what I do, I just take 1 needle, just insert right here, and do not knit. So this will bring your edge very nice and clean. It's gonna be very smooth. It do not have any bumps or anything like that. It's gonna be very nice and smooth. I would suggest doing this also on other your knitting projects. That's how I done all the time. And for the scarves, anything what I need, I always just slip and just remove it. Now I knit. So I pull the yarn, and if the pom-pom is in my way, I just help it to bring it to this side and just knit. You need to knit, making sure that you have only 1 stitch, not grabbing 2, because of the pom-poms. You may not see you have 2 on your needle, so you just making sure. I do not knit tight. I just knit trying to not to make very tight, because I do not want to tight. Here we go. I just pull. If I have pom-pom on my way, I just pull it through. This is pom-pom right here. It does. I leave it. It will find its space. I don't need to force anything. just pull it nicely, as I would need anything, any other projects. So I need with this yarn with pom-poms, just I would need with regular yarn. That's just doing very carefully, so as I don't really clearly see, I do not want to take two those loops. I just making sure I having only one loop on my needle, taking one loop at a time, and then just go like that. This is loop on pom-pom is on my way. I just pull it through, move it right here, and this one is really, I want to make sure I'm taking only one loop, because pom-pom is in my way. I don't really see very well, but just pull it through. All right, so now I turn around. And I need my next row. So again, the beginning one, I just slip it, and I do not need it. Every first one, every row, first one, I just slip it from my needle. I do not need it. So this scarf I need my with my knit stitch from the beginning to the end. Here we go. Here we go. Always the same. It's very easy, it goes fast. Just to make sure you do not lose any stitches, meaning you have to be very careful that you are going one by one and not grabbing two. Like this one, I really cannot see if there is two or one, so I just making sure it's one loop, one stitch. It's very easy, and it goes fast, and it's beautiful. So moving forward, okay, moving forward, Manu, my one tip would be to be careful knitting with this yarn. Do not lose any stitches. Make sure you always have 16. Beautiful, and it's very soft, and again you will need 2 skeins. Thank you so much for watching this yarn. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.